Hi, Doug here. Here's your sound clip of this drum that you picked out, the steer skin shaman frame drum. So I'll give you a close-up look of it. It's a really pretty drum, very pretty skin. I put the feather embellishment here. It's got the steel ring and then the handle made out of steer skin. And it's nice and stiff. Feels really good and balanced in your hand. I'm going to be using the sound healing beater that comes with the drum. Here we go. For better sound, please put earbuds or headphones on. Okay, here we go. So in my shop right now, it's currently 50% humidity. It's raining outside. So the humidity in South Carolina, where I'm at, gets up there. And so you kind of have an idea what 50% humidity sounds like with this drum. All right, thank you.